Hi lovely people, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how we made the most appetizing soya milk ice cream using only 3 ingredients. You can make this if you have soybeans, dates and condensed milk. Here is my soya beans that I'm soaking it. I'll be soaking it overnight and I've already washed it thoroughly to make sure it's clean. This is the next day and this is how our soaked soya beans looks like. It is now so soft so I can easily blend it to extract the milk. All I need to do now is to take it out of this water and wash it thoroughly to make sure that it's very clean before I go ahead and blend it. Our soya beans is now very clean, so I'll go ahead and blend it. So I've already transferred it into the blender and I've added some water. I've finished blending the soya beans, so I'm adding more water to it to make it easier for me to extract the milk. Right now I'm using the cheesecloth to extract the milk. This is the chaff from the soya beans. This is our milk and I'm going to sieve it for the second time. This is optional. I'll transfer some of the milk into this saucepan and use that to make our ice cream. I'll leave the rest and use it for soya milk. Our fire is now ready. I'll go ahead and place the milk on it. I'll be using these dates as sweetener for our milk. If you don't have dates, you can use sugar or honey. But today I'll be using these dates. They give the milk a unique taste. So I'll go ahead and add the dates to the milk on fire and allow it to boil together with the milk until the milk is ready. Our milk is about to boil, so I'll be alert to make sure that it does not pour over when it starts boiling. It's already boiling, so I'll keep stirring it in this manner until it becomes stable. At this point, we will allow it to continue to boil until we see a slimy substance on top of it. As soon as we see a slimy substance on top of it, it shows that the milk is ready. Our soya milk is now ready. This is the slimy thing I'm talking about. So this shows that our soya milk is ready. We'll now go ahead and take it off the fire, allow it to cool, then we'll remove the dates and blend. Of course, we don't need this slimy substance, so I'm taking it out of the milk. Then I'll go ahead and remove the dates. I I just finished blending the dates, but I couldn't record that part, so I'm adding the rest of our milk, the one we've boiled, into the dates. It has now cooled down, so I'm adding it to the dates to blend everything together. This is how our milk looks like after we blended it together with the dates. So I'll go ahead and use a sieve to strain it one more time, and then we'll proceed. I've finished straining, so I'll go ahead and add this condensed milk to it, and I'll mix everything together. The last thing I'll be adding is the vanilla essence. This also gives it a unique taste. This is what we have now. It looks so yummy. So I'll now go ahead and transfer this into our cups, and then we'll put it in the freezer and allow it to freeze. I'm now inserting the sticks. This is how Ghanaians enjoy their ice cream, especially the children. They love it when you make the ice cream like this. So after this, I'll put it in the freezer. So I'll see you when this is ready, and I'll show you what it looks like. Look what we have here. Our soya milk ice cream is ready. So this is how it looks like when we take it out of the cup, as you can see on your screen. The taste is so good and unique. So if you have these ingredients, please go ahead and give this a try and thank me later, because you will enjoy it.